Adrift, navigating its meaning in English. Hello dear learners. Today, we're going to explore the word adrift. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of its meaning, how to use it, and the context where you might encounter it. Adrift is an adjective and adverb that can be used in various contexts. Its primary meaning relates to something that is floating without being controlled or steered, especially on water. Think of a boat that's not anchored or tied up. It's moving wherever the wind or current takes it. For example, the boat was adrift in the middle of the lake. After the storm, many logs were adrift in the sea. Adrift isn't just limited to physical scenarios. It's often used metaphorically to describe situations or feelings where there's a lack of direction, purpose, or control. Examples: ever since he lost his job, he's felt adrift, unsure of what to do next. The team was adrift without their captain to guide them. In these examples, adrift signifies a sense of being lost or without clear guidance or direction. There are some words and phrases that can be related to adrift. Afloat, something that's on the water and not sinking. Astray, off the right path or direction, especially in terms of behavior or morals. Wandering, moving about without a definite destination or purpose. It's important to note that while these words may have similar connotations, they each have their own unique uses and should not be used interchangeably without considering the context. And that's adrift for you. Whether it's a boat floating aimlessly on a calm sea or a feeling of uncertainty in life, adrift captures that essence of being unanchored and untethered. We hope this video shed some light on its meaning and usage. Until next time, keep learning and expanding your vocabulary.